Welcome everyone. Great summer episode today. Hot dogs on the grill, but I'm sharing two huge hacks that I've been using for years that are going to change your hot dog game. First hack right here, we're scoring the dogs. I have a paring knife. I'm making 3 or 4 cuts on each side of the dog. It's going to help them puff up, get some great texture and char. And I'm also doing a small cut on the sides of the dogs as well. You'll see that done right there. The second hack is homemade barbecue sauce or any barbecue sauce. You want to apply this on the grill because it's just going to take the hot dogs to the next level. So we're outside, grill super hot. It's been heating on full blast for 15 minutes. I'm applying that barbecue sauce immediately because it's going to right away start to caramelize and get that char. We're then going to do a quick flip. Again, as soon as every dog has some sauce on it, I do the flip. Cooking these from start to finish is maybe 3 or 4 minutes, so you got to move quick. After that first flip, we're going to hit them with another layer of sauce, and we're going to flip them maybe one more time. You can see all the char there. For me, I love cheese dogs. It's just American sliced cheese. I'm putting it on half of the dogs. We're going to close the grill, let the cheese melt, and we're essentially done. It is that quick and easy. The big note I will give if you do make cheese dogs is you need to put them directly in a roll. If not, the cheese will essentially melt off on a plate and you'll lose some. So I get my Martin's potato rolls ready with some hot sauce and ketchup, and I get it right from the grill into the bun. The regular dogs will just go in a tray. That part's pretty simple.
Look at that. That is beautiful.
I love them as charred as possible without being completely burnt.
I won't go on how great this is. It's fantastic. It's a hot dog, sure, but the cuts and the barbecue sauce, that makes all the difference. So if I'm at your house and I see you putting a raw hot dog on the grill, I'll eat, but I'm not going to be happy. All right. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next one.